Yeah, all right, guys. This is question 9 of the challenge, right? So we have another question on logarithm we want to solve. I'm so sure by now you should be able to solve question 9 by yourself. So if you want to try, just pause the video, give it your best attempt, and thereafter you can come back and see the solution. So maybe I might even solve this problem in two different ways, but let's see. Let's get started with the first one. Method 1, we have log 8 base 2 plus log 16 base 2 minus log 4 base 2. We want to evaluate this logarithm. Now, if you look at all of this logarithm right here, we can actually simplify this logarithm from the concept I've discussed with you previously. Yes. Now, when we are giving something like this, let's say, for example, when you have log 100 base 10, what does it mean? It's just simply asking you, 10 raised to power what will give us 100? It's 2, right? So therefore, this is 2. So if I ask log, let's say 16 base 2, this is just asking you 2 raised to power what will give us 16? That is 4, right? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 16. That is 4. So that's why this is going to be 4. So that is how to simplify logarithm. That's really how to simplify logarithm. Now, look at this one. Log 8 base 2. 2 raised to power what will give us 8? That is 3. Log 16 base 2. 2 raised to power what will give us 16? That is 4. Then log 4 base 2. 2 raised to power what will give us 4? That is 2. So finally, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 minus 2 is going to be 5. So the answer is 5. Option C. So let's solve it differently. Let's solve it maybe another method. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. We have log 8 base 2 plus log 16 base 2 minus log 4 base 2. Now, you know, all of these guys can be expressed in the powers of 2, both 8, 16, and 4. So that means 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 base 2, and 16 is the same as 2 to the power 4 base 2, and 4 is the same as 2 to the power 2 base 2, right? Perfect. And remember, from the laws of logarithm, all these powers can fall behind. So we have 3 log 2 base 2 plus 4 log 2 base 2 minus 2 log 2 base 2. And what do you observe? Log 2 base 2 is common. So when I factor out the common term, which is log 2 base 2, what will be left from here? Here will be 3, here will be 4, and here will be minus 2, right? So what is 3 plus 4 minus 2? That's going to give me, okay, first of all, what is log 2 base 2? 2 raised to power what will give me 2? It is 1. 2 raised to power 1 will give me 2. So this is just 1. So I have just 3 plus 4 minus 2 times 1, which is the same as itself. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 2 is still 5. That is it, right? Oh, you're thinking of doing something different. Let me show you. That is method 3 now. I have log 8 base 2 plus log 16 base 2 minus log 4 base 2. What if you do it applying the laws? This is addition. So this is going to be like log 8 times 16, right? Base 2. Then minus log 4 base 2, right? We've just done the addition law. Then let's apply the subtraction law. This is going to be like log 8 times 16 divided by 4 base 2, right? Perfect. Now, you know, 4 can divide 16. That is 4. So 8 times 4 is 32, bar. So what do we now have finally? We have log 32 base 2. And this is where it comes to the point where I ask you, 2 raised power what will give us 32? That is 5. So the answer is going to be 5. So it means there are different various ways you can solve this problem and you see arrive at the answer 5. So any of them that is very easy for you to flow with, just go ahead and use that method. So guys, this is question 9. I'm going to see you in question 10. All the best and God bless you. Bye-bye.